as of now, and for this
Over
diagram, till they are node also.
They are
Leaf node as well.
overcast is a
o-
leaf node only.
overcast. Overcast is a
Overcast
leaf.
is a leaf node actually.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So
Yes, sir.
you see that all these feature D3, D7, D12 and D13 represent same class actually. That is no actually. Correct.
Yeah.
We have 0 no. So now all become to say same class. Understood or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So overcast become now what happened? Overcast associate this become now a leaf node.
If
But sunny and rain is child node for Outlook and now ready to become a parent. Okay, again we'll see these are not pure actually because still randomness is there. They have 2 yes and 3 no. Here we have 3 no and 2 yes. Sorry, 3 yes and 2 no. Here we have 2 yes and 3 no. Okay. So again we'll go and split the data. So next feature we are going for split is humidity. And how many categories that humidity have?
to
2. High or normal,
normal.
correct?
Yes, sir.
So humidity right hand side you can say high and normal. Once we splitted this, this become also pure, this become also pure. So now high and normal. So now high and normal, this is now the leaf node actually. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood? Shall we go from start
Yes,
or
sir.
shall we move?
Move on.
Try,
Move on,
Move
sir.
try to
on, sir.
understand
Move
actually.
on.
This is very simple actually. Then we will define it mathematically how actually we'll split the data and what will be the condition, what we want to achieve actually. Why not we took humidity? Why not we took wind? Because at root node actually we have all choice. We can take any variable to split, either outlook, humidity and wind. So which variable we have to take? That decision we have to take mathematically. Correct. And now right hand side we have to split it based on wind. So wind is weak and strong. So again you can see this is now child node. Correct. Sorry, this is now leaf node. And this is the whole tree. Can you see now? And question is ready for answer now. Who will answer this, whether we have to go for play or not? So day 15, do you want to play or no?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? All are saying yes? Yeah. We have to go and play actually. Outlook, so it will move like this. Outlook rain means it will go to right hand side, and then
Wind.
humidity is not featured, then it will go to wind, and then it will go and match weak. So it will go and play. Understood completely, or shall we discuss something more here?
Understood, sir.
Completely,
Yes, sir.
because I want all of you to build some type of decision tree. And any complicated data actually, we have sophisticated now algorithm, any sorts of data actually, which type of variables, you know exactly how to do it, you can do it and develop a decision tree model. And good thing is for complicated data also you can visualize it. So such type of decision tree actually you can just like, once you develop a model and then you give your model, they will create a nice tree type of structure. Then you can go and actually present it to your manager actually and make them happy. So what are the challenges with the decision tree construction? So how do we decide which feature to select for splitting a parent node n into child node? Say any idea actually? How do we decide?
So wherever we have least number of split means features like only two yes or no or ren or not ren. If we have two, three or four more than two, then the tree will be more wider.
Okay. Any more try? Okay, mathematically we will see exactly how this which feature we will take to split then and what is the splitting criteria. And then when do we stop growing a tree? That is also we have to think. See, this example is kind enough that you are able to what you call drip down all feature to a you are able to map all feature to a single class, but usually it not be always not be possible for complicated data. What will happen that you will see that okay, out of 10 feature only 6 are saying that it has, sorry, out of 10 observation it's on leaf node, it says that 10 6 belong to class A and 4 says that it belong to class B. So what you will do at particular node? Let's say at particular node, let's say you got 10 observation. Are you understanding or not? You got 10 observation. In 10 observation, 5 are saying, 6 are saying that it belong to class A, 4 are saying it belong to class B. So what will be your decision? And if you want that node to become a leaf node, so what will be your decision?
Class A.
Can anyone try? So in left hand side, you can see D1, D2 and D8. All are saying that it become to, it is all this says that no actually, this day you don't have to play. And D9, D11 it says that you have to play. Correct. But it happened that D1, D says that yes you have to play. No you don't have, no. D1, D2 says no you don't have to play. And D8 says yes you have to play. So what will be your decision? And if you want this has to be a leaf node, so what will be your decision?
Choose the node which has more favorable.
Yeah, so we say maximum vote, na? So if say maximum yes, then we'll assign yes. If maximum no, then you will assign. Basically, you have one question, and you are asking from series of person actually. then 5% told yes and 2% told no. So what will be your the decision? Yes, na, because 3% are told yes. So
Yes, sir.
based on maximum vote, actually, we'll go with maximum vote. So till now, have you understood exactly how to do the construct the decision tree from sets of data? If someone give you sets of data and simple data, actually only 2-3 features, and let's say 10-20 observation, or data is coming from let's say simple experiment where you have only 20 data points, and they ask you to make a decision tree. Can you make this
Yes,
the
sir.
way the way we have constructed decision tree? You can make it now, na? That's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so all have to say yes, then we will move. Otherwise, we will see exactly, and then because my motto is to teach you all this thing. See, this is now hands-on. Like I have took a small example so that you understand the concept. Then I will solve it using Python. All of us have to program that day. And if I will also ask you to share your what you call screen so that I can see what you people are doing. Okay, so when I will take case study, na, that day you also had to program with me with
Okay, sir.
understanding. So we'll create a decision tree. So so there are lots of popular decision tree algorithm, but one of the most popular is CART algorithm, and they varies based on the how to select the splitting criteria, whether it is going to be binary split versus multi-way split, and what type of variable it is handling. Okay, so algorithm like ID3, C45, CART, so there are lots of algorithm, because first algorithm I think developed in late 80s or 90, I think 80s only, sometime in mid 80s. First algorithm, decision tree algorithm, they have developed it. Okay, it's written here, na, 1984. So this CART algorithm. So they have developed it in 84 itself. From 84, this algorithm is now. Now also we are using it. So have you understand how this algorithm varies from each other? The way they split the tree, whether the split is binary or multi-way split, or the way it handles the variables, continuous versus discrete. So in this course, actually, we are going to use CART algorithm. CART stands for classification and regression tree. You also write it somewhere. I'm going to use CART only, but you can write this. So first, actually, described in a book called Classification and Regression Tree, and one of this author was Breman L, and it developed in this book published on 1984. So this algorithm can handle both type of variables, continuous and discrete, and it's work on binary split. It does not go and do that what you called multi-way split. So advantage of binary split is binary split can generate better trees, compared to other algorithm, what they are comparing with C4.5, C4.5, but tend to larger and harder to interpret. And the objective actually, when you want to go from a root node to child node, you want to achieve some objective, correct? Why do you want to go from root node to child node or parent node to child node? You want to achieve something. You want to achieve some objective. So when we are solving a regression problem, so we want to reduce the variability, output variability. And when we are solving a classification tree, then we are going to minimize the something called Gini impurity, and how the Gini impurity and how this variance reduction will define in next class. So I thought to complete all this, but somehow we are not able to complete, but we'll take it to next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can also write it to me if you want to understand certain things. You can write it to me. If certain things are not clear, it is good to ask here. Otherwise, this course also be like earlier one. I want you people to understand all the thing and able to make some sorts of modeling, or when people give you data, able to analyze the data and get inference from the data. That is the whole motto of this course. That's why I thought not to put much mathematical stuff, but also I want to show you exactly how things work. And I'm always trying to keep a small example so that you understand exactly how things move, how things work. So next class we are going to, so I told this Gini index, impurity for classification. So we are going to define what is Gini index and what is the formula actually, how to calculate Gini index at any node actually. So let's say this is the root node, how to calculate Gini index at root node, how to calculate Gini index for this child node. So let's say this is the root node, is not like now it's like a parent node, how to calculate the Gini index. Once you know all this, then you know exactly how this algorithm works. And then when you see algorithm in action, you can think in this way and know exactly how to change the parameter to get the beta tree. And what does it beta tree means? It should have certain means basically what you want to achieve, whether the tree able to do it or not. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
shall we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll
Sir, I would
meet.
like to say that, sir, please share the presentation for further revision, sir. So we could
So
come.
so my plan is like this. We'll first go through this. Once I complete it, I will share all this slide with you. Okay.
Okay.
We have not completed some more things. If I share this now, you will scared with this formula actually. Pi means probability. Then you will scare with this. Let me complete it. I will share PPT with you. Once I make you understand now, and then if you read, it will be more, you will be more confident actually. If you, I will give it something is there, and if you are not known to this, maybe you will be confused. I will give you once I complete this topic now. So tree algorithm we are going to have random forest. So, but before starting random forest, we'll give this one. So decision tree first I will give it, then I will teach you what is bagging concept, and then random forest, and then we will go for case study. Then I think you people will enjoy.
Okay, sir.
So what do you think? Is it tough to understand, or do you want to make this much easier? What do you think? Because I tried to make it as simple as possible with example.
It's simple, sir. No problem.
No
No
problem.
problem, no?
It's okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll learn some mathematics in next class, and then random for it, and then we'll do case study. So I think next this year only you have project also, so you have to come up with some idea actually. Come up with some data set. I think you have to form a group and then do a project actually. Some real time project, not to take data from here and there, because all of you are working in some industry, correct? Is it correct or not?
Almost,
No,
sir.
sir.
If no,
Almost.
then I think the Himanshu will assist you to find how to get data. Because I want all meaningful data, not data from here and there and do something. Okay. So we'll see how many data sets we will get, and then we'll divide group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
guys.
sir.
Bye.
Good
Good
night, sir.
night. Good night.
Right,
Bye.
sir.
Good night.
Bye.